start, the question of deemed confirmation would arise provided that there is a complete embargo on the powers of the employer authority to extend the period of probation beyond a certain limit. In absence of any indication to the contrary in the order of appointment or service rules, the probationer shall not be deemed to be confirmed automatically merely because he has completed the probation period and after expiry of the same has been permitted to continue on the post. In such circumstances, it would amount that probation period has been extended by necessary implication. However, where the rules prohibit extension of probation period beyond a particular limit and the employee is permitted to continue in service after completion of maximum period of probation without an express order of confirmation, he would be deemed to have been confirmed because his continuation in probation by implication stands negatived by the statutory rules. Para. The question of deemed confirmation in service jurisprudence, which is dependent upon the language of the relevant service rules, has been the subject matter of consideration before this court times without number in various decisions, and there are three lines of cases on this point. One line of cases is where in the service rules or in the letter of appointment a period of probation is specified and power to extend the same is also conferred upon the authority without prescribing any maximum period of probation, and if the officer is continued beyond the prescribed or extended period, he cannot be deemed to be confirmed. In such cases, there is no bar against termination at any point of time after expiry of the period of probation. The other line of cases is that where, while there is a provision in the rules for initial probation and extension thereof, a maximum period for such extension is also provided beyond which it is not permissible to extend probation. The inference in such cases is that the officer concerned is deemed to have been confirmed upon expiry of the maximum period of probation in case before its expiry the order of termination has not been passed. The last line of cases is where, though under the rules maximum period of probation is prescribed but the same requires a specific act on the part of the employer by issuing an order of confirmation and of passing a test for the purposes of confirmation. Para. In view of the above, the law on the issue emerges that as to whether person who had been working on the post after expiry of the probation period could claim confirmation automatically always depends upon the terms and conditions incorporated in his letter of appointment oblique promotion or the statutory rules. In case the rules do not permit extension of probation period beyond a certain limit and there is no other requirement under the statutory rules to pass any test, etc., the employee can claim deemed confirmation. Therefore, the statutory rules applicable in the case of an employee and his letter of appointment, etc., are to be examined meticulously. over.